Well, hello, and welcome to iamJoshKnox.com. I'm your host, that's right, I am Josh Knox. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the default dashboard in Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. So if you open your Dynamics environment, the first thing you'll probably see is a form that looks just like this. This is called the default dashboard. You can even see in the URL, I have the URL of my environment, and then I have an indication of the legal entity that we're in, and then it says menu item default dashboard. So here we are. What do we have on the default dashboard? Well, we have the name of the legal entity that we're in, including a banner image related to that legal entity. We have a search area up here, which will help us find any form that we're looking for in Dynamics 365. We have, again, this is a legal entity indicator, where we can see the legal entity that we're in and select another legal entity if we would like to jump into that one. There is a bell that will indicate our notifications. If we have an error or a process completes, we might get a notification in this notification area. Then this gear icon allows us to configure our settings. A question mark help and support gives us some help and support feedback items. And then this is our indicator of our user ID. And that's what you have there. So that's the whole top of the default dashboard. The body here, we have a calendar showing us the day that we're on right now. It's kind of a handy calendar feature. Below, if we had any workflow items that were assigned to us, you'd be able to see an indication of that workflow item in this area. And then the main portion of this, all of these are links to different workspaces in Dynamics. I'll do a separate video on workspaces, but basically a workspace is a mashup of a few different forms within Dynamics 365. So that's the default dashboard. You might be asking, great, what do we do from here? Well, from the default dashboard, we have the ability, you can use this icon, we call it the hamburger or the hot dog or the pancake, whatever elongated food that you think would be appropriate. You can click on that icon and that allows you to see the modules. So Dynamics is a system that's broken down into different modules. I can look at, let's say, the accounts payable module, and that gives me all of the workspaces and forms that are a part of the accounts payable module in Dynamics 365. So if I click on all vendors, that takes me to the all vendors form, and I can start to do transactions or update information, do things associated with my vendors. If I want to get back to the default dashboard, you can always click the home button and that'll take you home. Or if you get into some form and you're trying to get back to the previous form, you can just hit the escape button. So I'm going to hit the escape button now, and that'll take us back to where we were. So that's just a quick demonstration of the default dashboard. I hope this has been helpful to you. I'll do another video soon on the use of workspaces and what makes up a workspace. All right, thank you.